Hey guys, we are at Value Village on Pembina, and the bag of the day is the camera bag, which is really cool. We're gonna go inside and check it out, see if they have anything. So while I'm looking at the purses, they have a bunch of stuff here today, but a lot of it, like, that kind of interests me. I'm not sure if that MK is authentic or not. I don't think this Valentino is real, but we'll take a look at it anyway. And yeah, we'll just look around.
No, this is the last one. Ed. Yeah. I don't want it personally, but I think it's and if this isn't enough, then it's going to be cosmetic. It's okay.
Are you trying to decide if that's real?
Which?
This one?
No, it's real. It's just I'm not going to be sending back to it. Let's go.
No, it's fake. It actually looks pretty good. Oh, it's missing a...
No, I don't think it's enough.
It's missing one of those handle things. It's missing one of those rivets inside, but I don't think it's authentic because it doesn't have the serial number inside. Kind of overlapping there. Otherwise, it'd be just like one smooth piece. I found this Halston. It's a large, and I don't know, it seems kind of cute, but it's very like Wilfred. I don't know. I thought it was cute. I'm gonna try it on. It's Halston. It's made in China though. I don't know. It's not vintage Halston, so maybe it's not even a good brand to have. So I'm gonna show you guys this J. Crew Italian cashmere, but made in China. $15, which is a little expensive, but I do have like a 30% off coupon. And it's like super, super cool. I love the color. It's like a cobalt blue. And it is a small, but I know that it will stretch at least to a medium. And then we have this pink. A little expensive though. It's like $15 too. And it is a little faded, but I mean, it's still kind of cute. And then we have this pink in a large. $7. And then this I looked online. It's called J. Lindbergh, sorry. And it's supposed to be like super expensive. I think it's men's though. But maybe we won't get this. But J. Lindbergh is an expensive brand. There you go. Even though this is only $6.99, I kind of think that the color doesn't work for me. I don't know. I just feel like it just kind of, the color doesn't work for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just get it? It's $7, so. Yeah, this is not going to work for me at all. Even though the color is amazing, I'm probably never going to be a size small, and it's like not fitting at all. It's like a Coach. It's $50. It's factory outlet, but it is 100% leather, and it's actually really nicely. This leather kind of reminds me of the old kind of leather that Coach used to have. But I don't know, and it seems kind of really expensive for a leather tote by Coach. I don't know. It's a risk, and I'm not, at the moment, I'm not about taking risks. At the moment. Indigo. I don't know. We'll just keep it in the bag for now, and then we'll see how we feel. Because I still have that other Coach bag that we want to get, but it's like $79 as well. It's like super expensive. I don't even know if we're gonna make money on it, so maybe we won't get it. Why is everything so expensive for resellers? Why? This Goyard? No. I sold all my Goyards, which is funny because it's actually a bag that I wanted to own one day. But actually, after carrying it for a while, I would not spend that much money on Goyard. I mean, it's like a $2,000 bag, and like who the hell would spend that? I mean, you can get like a Neverfull for cheaper and still kind of attain the same kind of aesthetic. It's a little bit wrinkled though. It's like a Club Monaco wool coat. You won't even believe how much these retailed for, but for $32 is a deal. I'm gonna try it on. Hopefully it fits. TNA, it's not that faded, but $5 for that is a really good deal for TNA, like zip up. But it's a small, so it's a really hard size to sell. So we're gonna put it back. And I'm kind of questioning, okay, there's this pink, it's gray, it's cute. I mean, I'm gonna get it for $8.50. But then there's this TNA medium. This one's $15, but I think I have a buyer for this already. This gray, a little bit expensive, but I have a feeling it might be fake though. There's no size tag on it, and there's no holes, like thumb holes, but this one also doesn't have thumb holes, and this is the older Lulu. You could tell by this size tag is different. It's like that. It's not like the strip. So this could be vintage, but there's also no pocket there on like that. There's none of that on this. So, but it's also like not sloppy inside. See, it's really like good. So they're so cute. You can't sit with us. It's a size large white hoodie. Super cute, but I don't know if I would wear that.
99 cents.
99
Comes
cents?
with this.
Oh.
It's a real pop socket.
Oh. That's the one we got at Salvation Army, right? Bag of the day is a Louis Vuitton.
Sorry, I'm paying off. Can't compete with you.
Cuteness. Oh wait.
It's okay, I give you Kleenex made in Italy.
Oh yeah, I want to show you guys the Kleenex. Nancy gave me Kleenex made in motherfucking Italy. Where is it?
Oh, it's on the side. Where is it? No, here.
Oh, here. Made in Italy Kleenex.
Oh, yeah, bougie.
Okay, let's check out Plato's Closet, 90% off. Clearance to die. Ah, my hair's looking ratchet. 90% off clearance. There, you better not get me in the frame.
Sige lang, nakita mo na po.
No, actually I didn't.
40.
This is
Eksaktong 40.
actually cute. Do I have any discount for him?
May star. Ano yung star na yan?
I don't know. Does that mean clearance?
What does that star mean?
What does it mean?
Or is it as seen on TV? Tanongin mo, what's that star?
Okay.
Diba? Oh. Is this worth it, guys? $20. And then Ashley found it for what?
8.
It's so short.
Actually, I like it though. It's actually the scarf I use the most.
How do you do this? Like
I just wrap it around like that, yeah.
Or what if I want to do this? It's short.
It was probably more longer
Like
when it wasn't
this?
washed. Yeah, like that's cute.
20? Should I not? Should
That looks like the menu, and it's Michael Kors actually.
It's 100% wool.
How much is that? 65.
Oh, actually, it's okay kasi you can go like this.
Yeah, that's what I liked about it.
Okay, kasi yung mga iba, it's like it stays up.
Yeah.
And it's annoying, right? This one is, you can put it down.
It's a nice color too. Just lost their cotton pick in mine. 40 bucks for Tallulah? No. 40 for Tallulah. Okay. That's Crackology right there. Crackalicious. I'll just go to Aritzia during their sale. What size is this? Ew, extra small. Everything is extra small. It's annoying. This Lulu for 40 and this pink for 25. And this Lulu, I don't know how much this one is. I think it's 35 for this one. Tight, but it actually is really cute. So I'm gonna save it for like when I lose weight because I actually kind of like this sweater. So I'm gonna try these two on.
Oh, but I don't know, like mine's like moving backwards, so like go over things.
Okay, here are those other bras here for you.
Anthropology in the dressing room. I'm trying on this jacket, and then we have these pants because they have 40% off clearance. And I have this cardigan and then those pants to try on too. The fitting room here is so nice. It's like so big, and like this against your feet like feels really, really good. So yeah. These are kind of cute. I like them. Easy access. Further.
Pag ako nasagasa.
Hey guys, we are just coming from Polo Park. I did some damage. Kind of Nancy's fault, kind of mine.
Shut up.
But Aritzia, Pink, Godiva, and Anthropology.